Hello, all ACCA students. This is me, Taha Popatia, Advanced Financial Management Instructor at WIFI. So today I have a great news for everyone who is giving ACCA Advanced Financial Management exam paper in June 2023 attempt. I am going to conduct a one-day free of cost, open for all session for mergers and acquisitions topic on coming Friday. So this session is going to be in Hindi and Urdu. So anyone who is from Pakistan, India, or from anywhere in the world who understands Urdu or Hindi can attend this session. This session is going to be in a hybrid model. So if you are someone who is from Karachi, I will highly encourage you to come to our campus and attend the session physically on campus. But if you are someone who is from outside Karachi, obviously you can go for the online option. The main topic will be mergers and acquisitions, and I will make this topic easy for you. We will do some past paper practice. We will discuss some tips, tricks, and techniques for advanced financial management AFM exam as well. And then I will also have a discussion with all of you with regards to other topics. But do attend the session. This is going to be an important one, and let's hope for the best. For everyone, my best wishes for your AFM exams in June 2023. Stay blessed. Thank you.